Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing the wheel and placing it on a stable work surface. This gives full access and prevents damage. Once done, clean thoroughly with a degreaser to remove brake dust and oils because paint won't stick to contaminants. Make sure to remove surface rust with a wire brush and follow with 220-320 grit sanding where needed. Finally, mask the tire, valve stem, and lug nut areas precisely so you only coat the rim surface and get crisp edges. Now prime and paint deliberately. Start with a self-etching primer on alloy wheels because it improves adhesion and prevents lifting. You apply thin, overlapping passes. Aim for 2-3 light coats rather than one heavy coat to avoid runs. Once the primer is dry to touch, sand lightly with 400-600 grit to knock down texture and promote a smooth finish. Then spray your base color in multiple thin layers, keeping the can 6-8 inches away, and allow each layer to flash before the next. Finish by spraying 2-4 thin clear coats to protect the color and add depth. Clear improves chemical and chip resistance, so don't skip it. After the final coat dries to the touch, remove masking and allow a full 24-48 hour cure before reinstalling the wheel. Then torque lug nuts to the vehicle's spec. If you see runs or orange peel, wait until fully cured. Wet sand with 1,000-2,000 grit, polish, and recoat only the affected area. This corrects defects without redoing the whole wheel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.